Welcome! In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to disable Passkey on X, the platform we all still know and love for sharing thoughts, updates, and news. Whether you turned on Passkey recently or simply want to go back to a standard login method, these steps will show you how to switch it off in just a minute. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to disable Passkey. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. From there, you'll see a menu tab on Settings and Support. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account and security preferences are stored. Now, tap on Security and Account Access. Inside this section, you'll find the options that control login safety, passwords, and passkey preferences. Go ahead and tap Security. Scroll down until you see the passkey option. You'll notice it's toggled on by default if you've been using it. To disable it, simply tap the toggle switch so it turns off. The app may prompt you to confirm your choice, confirm that you want to turn off passkey, and that's it, your passkey is now disabled. From this point on, you'll return to using your normal login method when signing into X, whether that's your password, email, or any other verification process you prefer. Turning off passkey can be helpful if you're switching devices, troubleshooting sign-in problems, or just prefer to keep things simple. Always remember to keep your login details safe and enable two-factor authentication if you're looking for another layer of protection. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to like the video, share it with anyone who might need it, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials that make managing your apps a whole lot easier.